an investor is considering three strategies for investment, and the probable returns are estimated as follows. The first strategy returns $10,000 with 15%, but it can incur a loss of $1,000 with probability 85%. And the second strategy gives you $1,000 with 50%, and $500 with 45%, and negative $500 with 5%. And finally, the third strategy is gives you a certainty of $400. Which strategy has the highest expected profit, and how much is it? So remember, we are going to calculate expected profit, and the definition of expected profit is sum of probability weighted profits, right? So let's do one by one. First, strategy 3 is the easiest. Strategy 3 is a certainty, so its expected profit is definitely just $400, nothing to do. And let's do strategy 2. And then in this case, the first outcome is $1,000, but it's weighted by its probability 0.5. So you multiply them and sum add. The second possibility is $500 times probability 0.45, right? And multiply them and add. Finally, the last output is a loss of $500. So minus 500 times 5%, 0.05. Okay, so if you use the calculator, you can find it is 500. This is 225. This is minus 25. So if you add them, the sum is $700. So second strategy returns $700 on average. And finally, the first strategy, using the same idea. So first output is, first possibility is $10,000 with probability 0.15. Plus, second possibility is $1,000 with probability 0.85. Okay, so multiply them. The second one is a loss, so you have to use negative 1,000. So that means this should be 1,500 minus 850. So the total is 650. Okay, then as a result, if you compare the expected returns of each strategy, I will choose the second strategy that returns $700.